He, it's me, freebie again. Got another project for you. Got a problem with a retaining wall, and we're gonna see if we can get it straightened out. I'll show it to you. The plan is, after we get it anchored, this will be empty. I will put 4-inch corrugated drain pipe in here along the way, drain it all the way down to the end and out. I'll put rock on it, filter fabric on top, keep out the soil, and hopefully that will catch a lot of the rainwater and drain it off, so you won't have as much pressure on this. So I'm gonna get started. I'll bring it to you. As you can see, I've trenched this out. Hopefully you can see it's way down, and what we're trying to do is, you can tell from right here was the original point of where this wall was. So it's coming out over an inch and a half, and if you notice, it has this bow too. So what we're going to do is try to get it back. Got it trenched out. I'm going to drill my holes, hook my rods, try to get it going. Before I drill, I had to find out where I wanted to drill, and because I want to add a little extra support, I've got a 2-inch flat bar that I'm going to try to wrap. Drill here, here, over here a couple places, and that way once I get the holes drilled, I can get it here, get it butted back up hopefully, and then bend that flat bar in and just kind of wrap it with that for added support. I have my holes drilled, my rod run through. Here's the trench that it's going through. I've already done one. I'll show you what the top looks like. Coming through. I don't know if you can see it in the hole or not, but what's going to happen is I'm going to drop this bag of concrete in and then drive that rod through it and let this all set, and then pull that frame back, and I'll have an anchor. I've already done this side, so well, so far so good. I wrapped the straps around here and pulled back with the winch. Check that out. I'm off by a quarter or so, but my goodness, so much better. Now look at this gap. I have to do this wall too. It's not as bad. But that's much better. Now we'll just let that concrete sit and bolt it on and see how it does. Everything's hooked up and attached, letting this concrete cure, harden. I've got my 2-inch flat bore drilled out and attached, almost attached. And then I'm going to come over here and attach over here to tie in. I have my channel dug for my drainage. I'm going to go right across the top of those bracing rods. Get a good fall on it. Let it run on out. Well, I have everything secured now. There's my gap, my rods. Tighten these up with a crescent wrench. Yes. Those are in. And as you can tell, I am almost where I was to begin with. The original wall was right there. I'm not going to push it. I don't want to crack anything. I'm secure right now. Got me a good gap back in here. This had pushed on this, pushed this out. So I'm really good with that. Now all I'm going to do is backfill this in and do my drainage with my rock and my pipe, and hopefully that'll take care of everything. I'll probably come back in here and cement that. And I'll have my holes drilled, and I'm going to secure this 2-inch flat bar to that wall to help secure it too. One little nifty hack is, if you have a solid piece of 4-inch corrugated, you take a 1/2-inch drill bit, you can make your own holes, just anything to let the water seep in. If you don't have a junction, you can take a piece, split it, you can put them together and wrap it with some ties, and then make sure you cover it with some filter fabric cloth, keep dirt out. Just a little hack. Have my drainage in, a rock on top. All I got to do now is finish backfilling it in. Got it going through here, down to here. So we're good to go right now. We get this all filled in. Hopefully that'll work. About finished up here. I left a little berm right here to try to channel off some of the water. Create it, go on down here, and drain on off. I left a little filter fabric, help stop dirt from going in this crack till I can get it repaired, patched up. I'll trim these bolts off. Got a good little bit there. Trim those 2 off. Got my weep hole and got it caulked in. Over there, a couple over here, just to help. Got my 2-inch flat bar screwed in, pre-drilled the holes, used just screw anchors. So hopefully that'll help you. They're very simple. Just set a couple of 80-pound bags of Saccharine, some rod through it, drew it back in. And if you'll notice, I am almost to where I was originally. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Help me get this channel going. Thank you. Hey, like me now.